Hello, I'm going to talk to you about the parrot family birds. First, I have a book all about birds in Australia, and I'll show you the parrot family birds. Yeah, this is the last page, but I'm doing it as the first page. And my favourite is the palm cockatoo here, and it's the most rarest of all. And I'll show you the next page. This one, it has the cockatoos in it, and it has the long-billed corella, the western corella, and the little corella, and they have cockatoos and Major Mitchell cockatoos, and this is what a Major Mitchell cockatoo looks like. And that's what they look like. And this is the lorikeet families attached to the cockatoo family. And we get these ones here. They're called rainbow lorikeets. I'll just be a second there, I'll get what they eat.